So now I'm ready to start adding my locations where I'm going to visit and show you my virtual tour. So I'm going to go to New Feature, and I like to start in a place that seems logical, and I'm going to search a place, and I'm going to type in here Wilton High School, and you see I've done recent searches, so I'm going to click Wilton High School, and it's going to bring me to Wilton High School from a bird's eye view, and I'm going to add this as a place marker to my project. And again, I could change the title if I want, and I want to make sure it's going to the right project, and I'm going to hit save. So now that I've got my starting point, I may want to add a new slide. So again, that's where I may add a full screen slide, just giving a brief description. Just remember, that is a great transition piece to tell your story. So I'm not going to do that right now, but just remember it's there. I'm going to search and add a place, and the place I'm going to go to is Washington, D.C. And again, I had been there before with Google Earth, so it remembers it. And this is going to be a choice I'm going to make. I want to add a bird's eye view again, but of the whole city. So I'm going to add a project pin here. Again, I'm going to retitle this Washington, D.C. for the District of Columbia, and make sure it's going to the right project. And I'm going to hit save. All right. And what I might want to do now is zoom in a little bit to go to someplace more specific. And knowing your locations on your Google Earth map are going to be very, very helpful. So the place I'm going to go to is the Lincoln Memorial. Now notice again, I have a bird's eye view. So this time, unlike a search, I'm going to go to New Feature, and I'm going to add a place marker. And then it gives you this option to place the place marker. So I'm going to place the place marker right here. And again, I can name this because it is important for the audience to know what you're actually looking at. So all right, so now I'm going to click on my push pin, and I can edit that again. Now notice I could add a picture, similar to this title slide cards. I could also add a description. What I really like is changing my push pin and thinking about what icon or what item I want here. So I'm going to put historic building. I can also change that item color. And again, you may want to think about this. What color would be most appropriate? I'm going to go with green. And I'm going to make sure everything's set up. Again, I didn't put a description here, but I encourage you to do that. And if you have your own images, think about using an image that you have created. And again, you can preview it. And there it is, just showing me that. And I could see it. So I'm going to go back. And now it is in my sequence of my tour. So if I go back, you're going to see starting at Wilton High School.